Acid rain. What is acid rain? Acid rain is a result of air pollution. When any type of a fuel is burnt, lots of different chemicals are produced. The smoke that comes from a fire or the fumes that come out of a car exhaust don't just contain the snooty gray particles that you can see, they also contain lots of invisible gases that can be even more harmful to our environment. Power stations, factories, and cars all burn fuels, and therefore they all produce polluting gases. Some of these gases, especially nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide, react with the tiny droplets of water in clouds to form sulfuric and nitric acids. The rain from these clouds then falls as very weak acid, which is why it is known as quote-unquote acid rain. So the next question is, how acidic is acid rain? Acidity is measured using a scale called the pH scale. The scale goes from 0 to 14. 0 is the most acidic, and 14 is the most alkaline, in other words, meaning opposite of acidic. Something with a pH value of 7 we call neutral, and this means that it is neither acidic nor alkaline. Very strong acids will burn if they touch your skin and can even destroy metals. Acid rain is much weaker than this, and never acidic enough to burn your skin. Rain is always slightly acidic because it mixes with naturally occurring oxides in the air. Unpolluted rain would have a pH value of between 5 and 6, and when the air becomes more polluted with nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide, the acidity can increase to a pH value of around 4. Some rain has even been recorded as being a pH of 2. Vinegar has a pH value of around 2.2, and lemon juice has a value of pH 2.3. Even the strongest recorded acid rain is only about as acidic as lemon juice or vinegar, and we know that these don't harm us. So the question becomes, why do we worry about acid rain? Well, let's talk about the effects of acid rain. Acid rain can be carried great distances in the atmosphere, not just between countries, but also from continent to continent. The acid can also take the form of snow, mist, and dry dust. The rain sometimes falls many miles from the source of pollution, but wherever it falls, it can have a serious effect on soil, trees, buildings, and water. Forests all over the world are dying, and fish are dying. In Scandinavia, there are dead lakes, which are crystal clear and contain no living creatures or plant life. Many of Britain's freshwater fish are threatened, and there has been reports of deformed fish being hatched. This leads to fish-eating birds and animals being affected as well. Is acid rain responsible for all of this? Scientists have been doing a lot of research into how acid rain affects the environment.